Let's integrate this AWS CodePipeline project with Slack. First, I'm going to create a notification rule. I will give a name to my rule and select the events I want to notify. For simplicity, I will choose all. For the notification target, I can choose either an SNS topic or a Slack bot. Since our today attempt is to connect with Slack, I'm going to select it. You can see I don't have any integration yet, so I would need to create new integration with Slack, so I'm going to click on Create Target button. This button took me to the client configuration page, where I can either pick Slack or AWS Chime. I will choose Slack. Now I need to authorize AWS from my Slack workspace. Now I need to provide the Slack channel details. This requires quite a few pieces of information, such as, what is the Slack channel at which needs to be connected? What is the AWS service role I should choose, and what guard rules need to be applied? Since my only intention here is to view what's going on with my AWS CodePipeline project, I'm going to stick with AWS read-only access. That's it. Now let's see how it works. I'm going to trigger my pipeline, and as soon as I started, it started to notify me on Slack. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit notification button for get notified with all my future videos. If you want to reach me, please comment. If you think this might help others, please share. Thank you for watching.